Our today's cue card is a famous person who can be a role model to young people. Describe a famous person who can be a role model to young people. You should say who the person is. How long have you known him/her? What qualities this person has. Although I know many big renowned personalities who are inspirations for youngsters, like APJ Abdul Kalam, a former president of India, Virat Kohli, Anmol Kawtra, Ratan Tata and all that jazz, here I would like to talk about one of my favorite personalities, who is my personally favorite. Her name is Priyanka Chopra. She is a well-known Indian actress, singer, and philanthropist who has also made her mark internationally. She is around 40 years old, married to an American singer Nick Jonas. I've known about her for quite some time, maybe around 15 years or so, because she is a popular 90s actress. There are many reasons why I think that she is a role model for youngsters. Firstly, Priyanka Chopra is a fantastic role model because she never gave up on her dreams. However, she didn't have any special connections or a famous family when she started in showbiz, so she worked hard. She started her career by winning Miss World and then became a huge star in Bollywood. Later, she moved to Hollywood, showing that if you keep trying, you can achieve anything. Secondly, she always tries to stay away from controversies and believes in being more natural. Also, Priyanka Chopra prefers privacy when she is around with loved ones. Moreover, she often motivates youth to fulfill dreams, help needy people, and bring positivity. She is a part of many projects that aim to make the world a better place. As a UNICEF Goodwill Ambassador, she works hard to support important causes like education, equality for all genders, and the rights of children. Her actions show young people how they can use their influence to help others and make the world a better place. Furthermore, she is a fitness freak person who never misses any gym sessions and takes care of his diet strictly. I believe that it is a vital quality and habit to influence youngsters when you are a big star. Priyanka Chopra is amazing because she can do many things. Not only is she a great actress, but she also sings and produces. She's always trying new things and taking on different roles that challenge her. This is inspiring for young people who want to try out different jobs in their careers. Apart from these, she is an inspirational speaker and speaks openly. Her many motivational thoughts are empowering. For example, in one of her interviews, she was asking people to follow 12 rules to become the best version of themselves, which is one of my favorites. So, all in all, this is a famous person who is a role model for younglings. Follow-up questions. First question. What kind of people are likely to be the role models for teenagers? Teenagers often look up to individuals who exhibit qualities they admire or aspire to, such as celebrities, athletes, or community leaders. The kind of role models they pick can change based on what they like and what they think is important, but mostly, they're looking for someone who shows success, honesty, and never gives up. Second question. Is it important for children to have a role model? Having a role model can greatly influence a child's development and provide them with positive guidance. Role models serve as examples of behavior and character traits to emulate, helping children navigate challenges and make ethical decisions as they grow. Third question. Are there any differences between today's famous people and those of the past? Yes, there are differences. Today's famous figures often gain prominence through social media and reality television, whereas past celebrities typically rose to fame through traditional media channels like film and music. Additionally, modern celebrities may be more accessible to their fans through online platforms, blurring the line between public and private life. Fourth question. What qualities do famous people have? Famous people often possess a combination of talent, charisma, and ambition. They show they can bounce back when things get tough and encourage others by what they do and accomplish. Also, lots of famous folks use their popularity to speak up for important things and do good stuff for society. Fifth question. What kind of people are likely to become famous? In my opinion, people who become famous often possess unique talents or skills that set them apart from others. They may excel in fields such as entertainment, sports, business, or politics, capturing public attention through their accomplishments and charisma. Additionally, individuals who actively seek out opportunities for visibility and self-promotion are more likely to achieve fame. Sixth question. Do people tend to choose the best people as their role models? Some people pick good role models who have traits they like and do good things. But others might like famous people just because they're rich or famous, even if they're not always the best examples. People's choices of role models can be influenced by various factors, including media portrayal, peer influence, and personal aspirations. However, selecting the best role models ultimately depends on individual values and judgment. Thanks for watching. Share and subscribe to our channel for more videos.